Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel and ham radio adventures. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Space enthusiasts and radio buffs. Ever dreamed of bouncing your voice off a satellite? Well, buckle up because in 2025, it's easier and cheaper than ever to chat through space. Let's dive into the exciting world of amateur radio satellites. Amateur radio satellites, or AMSAT, are your ticket to cosmic communication. These nifty little orbiting repeaters zip around in low Earth orbit, giving ham radio operators a chance to make contacts over vast distances. And the best part, you don't need a NASA-sized budget to join in on the fun. So what's the bare minimum to get started? First up, grab yourself a handheld transceiver, or HT. The trusty Baofeng UV5R is a popular choice that won't break the bank. Next, you'll want a directional antenna to boost your signal. Don't worry, you can build a simple Yagi antenna yourself or snag a budget-friendly option online. To track those elusive satellites, all you need is your smartphone with a free app like Heavens Above or SatSat. And if you want to relive the glory of your contacts, consider an audio recorder or good old-fashioned log sheet. Now, let's talk about making your first contact. It's easier than you might think. Use your tracking app to find upcoming satellite passes. Pay attention to the uplink and downlink frequencies, and don't forget about that pesky Doppler Shift. When a satellite comes into range, listen first to get a feel for things. Then, take a deep breath and transmit your call sign and grid square. Satellites like SO50, A091, or even the International Space Station's cross-band repeater when it's active are great for beginners. As you dive deeper into this hobby, you'll encounter some key terms. AMSAT is the organization that keeps us all connected. Your HT is your lifeline to the stars. LEO is where the action happens. A successful contact is called a QSO, and your grid square helps others pinpoint your location. And that Doppler shift, it's the reason your frequencies need a bit of tweaking during a pass. Ready to take your new hobby to the next level? Consider joining AMSAT or your local ham radio club. They're full of friendly folks who love helping newcomers. Try your hand at building more advanced antennas. Practice listening to satellite passes. Before you know it, you'll be exploring new satellites and modes like a pro. So there you have it, folks. With just a few pieces of gear and a dash of patience, you can be chatting through space in no time. The stars are calling. Are you ready to answer? Ready to make your first contact? Pro tip, listen first, then jump in, just like I did when I started out. Your grid square is your location on Earth, like EL97 for me here in Key West. Remember, I started just like you, simple setup, big dreams. Now, I'm chatting with folks all over the world. Your beginner's guide to talking through space, just like W4KWS, it's an incredible hobby that'll take you places you never imagined. Keep listening, keep learning, and who knows, maybe I'll catch you on the next pass. This is W4KWS signing off. 73s and clear skies, please subscribe.